Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to mute incoming calls on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and you want to select the phone app, select the three-dotted icon on the top right, and then select the settings button. Go all the way down the bottom underneath advanced and select flip to silence. And if you want to enable flip to silence an incoming call, place your device face down on a flat surface. Click inside that oval to toggle it to the right to enable that. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.